Hey everyone, welcome back to another PS3 homebrew video, and today we're going to be talking about how to disable our Syscalls and delete our history so we can safely sign into our PlayStation Store. Now it's very important that we disable the Syscalls and delete our history before we sign in, and it's highly recommended to always disable the automatic sign-in when you're going through the setup to sign in for the first time through the PlayStation Network. Now there's two different ways that I recommend doing the disabling the Syscalls, the custom firmware, and deleting your histories. The first option is under network through the custom firmware tools. Now this will automatically be set up for you when you install custom firmware on your PS3, and I'm currently running off custom firmware 4.89 EvilNAT, and it's working just fine. And we have the custom firmware tools under network, and here under PSN tools we can hit the disable Syscalls. So just by pressing X here, our Syscalls disabled and our history files deleted. So now we're safe to browse around through the PlayStation Network, sign in, do what we need to do, and sign out. Now when you disable your Syscalls, none of the homebrew applications will not work. So if I try to start some third-party application, for example Multiman, I'm going to get an error because we just disabled custom firmware. Now this doesn't mean that we deleted custom firmware from our PS3, but we're just disabling it for the meantime. And in order for you to re-enable custom firmware, you just have to simply reboot your system. Going through the games here, you can play online if you choose, but I recommend not to because you just run a higher risk of just getting banned. So I'd advise not to do that. But once you disable your Syscalls, you should be able to run any of your games and play online. And I just started BioShock here and give my Elgato couple of seconds for it to read up. And there we are. At the top left hand corner you'll see my FPS along with my CPU and GPU, my fan speed, and my firmware. So before we disable the Syscalls, we saw 4.89 CEX Cobra, and we no longer see the word Cobra, so we are just running off 4.89 firmware. And there you go. So let's go back home and show you the second method on disabling your Syscalls. The second method requires a homebrew plugin to be installed called WebManMod, and it's one of the best homebrew plugins to add to your PS3. It has a bunch of features to it, and I have a full video guide going through it. But once you have it installed, it's very easy to disable your Syscalls. It's by far one of the best if you don't have this first option of custom firmware tools. So all you have to do is press triangle and R2 together, and your history files and custom firmware Syscalls deleted. Okay, and now our firmware has changed from 4.89 CEX from 4.89 CEX Cobra 8.30. So this is looking very good. Now we can sign into our PSN account, no problem, sync our trophies, go through the store, buy whatever we want, and you'll be all set. Just make sure to disable your automatic sign-in, and also just reboot your system when you want to re-enable custom firmware. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos coming very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Take care guys, and I'll see you on the next one.